Hey guys, welcome back. So, I'm not sure if this video is going to be out before the other one, but yeah. So, anyways, I am doing a hotel room tour. We are in Waco and we are at the Hilton Hotel in Waco. So, I want to show you guys our hotel room. It's a basic hotel room. You guys have seen so many of our Hilton hotel rooms. It's a standard room. Well, I'm not sure if it's standard. Babe said he upgraded, but it doesn't look like an upgrade. Yes, that's me on the TV as well. But I want to show you guys our hotel, like the facilities and everything. So, which Hilton hotel it is. I want to show you guys. Oh, I'm looking at the most amazing view, hotel room view. When I got here last night, I was like, oh, babe said, look outside, look outside. I'm like, it's dark, you can't see anything. And then I opened it and it was like, beautiful. I'll show you guys at night as well. So yeah, but anyways, let's get into this hotel tour. Okay, I wanted to start you guys off with this view that I am telling you guys about. Look at this. Like, oh my word, it's got a lake. We were told that this lake is actually man-made because when I came, I thought it was like a real lake, but apparently it's man-made by Babe's colleague. They're at work now. So this is my view, our view, and it's amazing. I'm going to take a walk outside today, just walk around, or tomorrow, or on Monday, because we're leaving on Monday and today's Saturday. There's another Hilton hotel there, that's Homewood Suites. It's another Hilton. So this is our room, guys. So we have our air conditioning system here, heating or cold. Guys, I'm not gonna pack the room because no, I got here, babe got here on Thursday, I got here on Friday yesterday. So he's already done his thing. So that's his bag, he's going to work. So yeah. So it's got this lovely couch here. I've been using this couch the whole day today because I didn't want to ruin the bed. They made the bed and I was like, oh, do I sit on the bed? But I'm like, no. But anyways, I love this painting. You guys see this? It is so beautiful. And so babe said this actually alarm clock actually works. It didn't wake him up, but he heard it while he was showering on Friday morning, yesterday morning. So he was like, he wants to leave it for me, but he didn't. Bless his heart. And it's got charging ports for the normal USB and the normal plugs, which is quite nice. And I've been working here today, guys. So this is workstation. So I checked emails today. You guys would see in the other video. I've checked emails. I've edited a video, which is this one that's currently playing right now, because I'm just checking if everything is fine, like on a big screen. Usually that's what I do. I edit a video, I post it, and then I actually check it if it's fine. So, and I'm also checking it on the laptop. But yeah, this is like a normal, nice working station. This is what I love. I miss this and I really need to create our office at home, like buy the furniture for our office. And oh, I didn't check this cubby hole last night. They've got a Bible in here. Oh my word. This is how you know. You see, I brought my Bible, but they've got a Bible here. This is how you know you're in Texas. Well, I don't know if other hotels do it in America, but yeah. More storage here. The bed is quite spacious. There's nothing underneath the bed. And just a place to put bags. And I think shoes will fit in here. And these are the bags I came with yesterday. It's already a mess with babe's more work clothes and our private clothes. And I walked in here and I was like, I'm not going to say anything. Let's come to my side. This is my side of the bed. That's babe's side. This is my side of the bed. You can already see with my stuff here. I love this. This is the wireless charging, magnetic charging for phones. So I charged my phone here last night. And this side actually also has the USB-C charging port thing. And it's got the normal USB. It's actually got a lot of these. And I like that they also have like reading lights for light at night. If your partner is sleeping or whoever you're with is sleeping. And then you've got this to, use at night. And it's got this lamp as well. This lamp is actually quite nice. So yeah, and both sides. So then this I really like because most hotel rooms don't have microwaves. And so if you do have food that, leftovers from dinner or whatever, you can always use that. Oh, there's light. Let there be light. let there be light everywhere. Okay, I don't know, I'm being dramatic like that. But then they've got the coffee tea machine. We haven't had this. Like, yeah, the sugar's not enough. Like, there's sugar here, there's cups, a bin, and we have a fridge. And obviously, because, yeah, babe already has his drinks in there for after work. Then it has this lovely closet. That's me. I love the mirror because long length, I can see myself. And we've got like all of this storage. You see, I was starting to pack things, but I was like, you know what? No, I moved like his bag to put it up there. But for hanging, if we were here longer, if I came here on Thursday, I'd probably pack out. Not really, let me not lie. And then the bathroom. I was disappointed that they actually didn't have shower caps. I need to buy a shower cap because I plaited, right, guys? I'm actually needing to take this off because we're going to go out. So I plaited my hair, right? And I need a shower cap because usually I don't use a shower cap when I am showering. When I have my own hair, because I need the moisture. But now I don't want this to get old very quickly. So I need a shower cap, but they only just have soap. I like they have this. I'm gonna take these, definitely makeup wipes, remover wipes, and I've got a dark towel because I guess they realized that a lot of people use the white cloth for wiping their face with makeup and it leaves a lot of stains. So with this one, it's a bit better. But yeah, it's a standard bathroom, big shower. That's it. Hilton. What I love about the Hilton as well is that they always give you like your lotion, body lotion, your shampoo, and all of that. Some hotels don't do that anymore. Or there's also a hair dryer, a lot of towels. So yeah, guys. So now I'm gonna take you outside because I want to show you guys the rest of the hotel. Like, I want to stop doing just a room tour, but do an actual like whole place tour, like the hotel and everything. So let's go. Like, the floor is so huge, so huge, but it has 4 floors. The hotel has 4 floors, so we're on the 4th floor. So where do we start? What is here? Oh, I can't go here. Nope. Okay, so we go all the way down. One thing that I didn't like about this elevator is that there's no mirrors in the elevator. Like, what do they mean? Like, hello, don't they know that we look at ourselves in the mirror in the elevator? But there isn't. Okay, so we'll start this side. I haven't explored this place either, so yeah. But anyways, we have a fitness center. Okay, we'll start somewhere else. Oh, this is so cool. They have a guest laundry. Oh, cool. So I guess in here, it's nice and warm in here. I might as well come sit and work here because everywhere else is cold. But yeah, you can sit here. Ooh, you can set the mood. Oh, can you hear? It's music. Okay, cool. So they've got washers. They've got washers and dryers, which is quite cool. And it's great. I like that. So let's go to the other room, the next room. So I'm touring this place for the first time with you guys as well. Hey, so yeah. Oh, it's so cold in here, but okay, so the gym. Oh, you've got towels, which is great because I don't need to bring a towel. This I like because you can just use that to clean up everything. But the gym is like functional. It's a gym, guys. Nothing to it. It's a gym, but it's functional. Look at this. Okay, so we'll come here later, okay? So I guess this is the rest of the reception area. Oh, pool is open from 6 to 10 p.m. Cool. Oh, this is a nice area, especially if you are here on holiday. But how's the water? Let's check. Oh, the water is freezing cold, guys. Freezing. But this is amazing. Like, so much space here. And you have lounging space. Maybe tomorrow I'll come and work from here, just for a different scenery, different vibe. So yeah, let's go back inside. Okay. Oh, American football is playing. Oh, this is so cool. They actually have a boardroom here. Look at this. Oh no, not allowed to go in. I guess the boardroom is like access, like you need to book it or something. I don't know. But that is so cool. So these are the different things that they have here. Brazo's room, we're gonna see that, and the Bosque room, whatever that is. I think maybe it's like different conference center rooms. But this is a nice sitting area for a lot of people. Guess this is the bar. Well, it is the bar, not guess. So that's another exit to the other side. We'll go outside later. But yeah, if you have functions, yeah, these are like the conference rooms. You have your Waco room, the Bosque, and I guess that's the Brazos on the other side. Okay, let's check out the rest of the common areas here. I think this is the restaurant on this side. Yeah, I didn't come for breakfast because I'm not a breakfast person, but I guess this is the restaurant. So breakfast, you can sit anywhere you like. Yeah, this is reception. So we'll go around the building and see the facilities themselves. But more seating area. I love the seating areas. They're quite nice. And then they have a shop that is open for 24 hours. So let's go outside. Oh, this is the first time I'm coming outside since I got here last night. And it's got ample parking. There's so many hotels here. There's Holiday Inn Express Suites. And oh, look at this. Diamond member reserved parking. I wonder where Babe is parked. I don't know where his work car is. But we are at Hilton Garden Inn. Guys, so this is where we are. This is the hotel. Let's go around. I think I'll go in from the outside. Oh, so they've got extra seating outside. I guess if you want to come and sit here, you can come sit outside in the sun. The sun is quite nice. It's not too hot. Oh, there's a Walmart there. Like, there's a lot of things around here, which is quite nice. Look at this. So I think this is the best thing about this hotel is this lake view, the lake access here, because we can go and walk on that path there. But this is beautiful. It's a beautiful place. So now we're at the backside. Oh, the backside also has the name on it. Guess it makes sense. So Babe and his colleague parked here last night. Maybe this is his car. I don't know which car he's driving, honestly. But this is the back entrance to the hotel. So yeah, guys. Alright, guys, so yeah, that's it. That is where we are. That is where we are staying for the next, well, I guess it's like 2 more nights because it's a Saturday today. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday we check out. So it's a lovely place. I cannot wait. I haven't gone out and explore. I'm waiting to I just finished working now. Well, I haven't finished working, but I just finished, like, the first thing that I wanted to do was to get out a video to you guys. You see, before I explore, I do so that you guys can also see. So I wanted to give you a tour as well. And then now I need to go out and check out, there's a shopping center. I don't know, I'm going to a shopping center, but yeah, it's not, this is not a holiday for us. It's just me joining Babe for work, which I'm very grateful for, that he's working close enough to home for me to be able to drive and be with him. So yeah, guys, I also need to do work. Watch the next video or the one before. I'm not sure if it's gonna come, but anyways, it's gonna be up one way or another. It's gonna be up, and watch that to see what I'm doing here while baby's at work, what work I'm doing, because it's exciting. I'm working with brands, so I need to create content for them. I need to go buy stuff to create the content. So I'm very excited. So yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.